Hello, my name is Yuri Pardo. I'm going to start with practice 1. Sentence 1. Let's see who's speaking today. 2. Mary's sister loves sipping juices. 3. Frank speaking about horse saddles. 4. Tom's zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. 5. Let's zigzag on the ice with Philip's skates. 6. The candidate's pitch sounded false. 7. Thousands saw Shakira's show. 8. Her face showed a nice smile. 9. Wendy's sister likes sausages. 10. The Cyclops said this cheese stinks. Practice 2. Oh, alone, go. Only, no, no. Open throat, show. Overthrown, throw. Okay, John, grow. Ocean, stone, flow. Owner, coat, tomato. Oh dear, come, potato. Phone, Joe at home. Don't go to throw stones. It snows and groups. You owe Joe a phone call. My nose and throat hurts. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go to the show alone. Somebody has stolen my comb.